Hi everyone. Our today's topic for the 5th standard subject English, friendly plans. Look at, in our friend circle we make various plans. We tell our friends, Ganesh, let's play cricket. Sita, let's go home. Let's go to picnic. Let's go to the market. Let's, that means let us. Let's, let us, and let me. Or sometimes you lonely tell to your friend that let me do that work, let me do that work quickly, let me sing that song, let me eat slowly, let me drink slowly, let me color the picture, etc. Various types of meaningful sentences we use in our friend circle. When you want to do something new, when you want to do something special in our friend circle, we use various types of sentences that begin with let's and let me. Let's is the short form of let us. Here a word chart is given and you have to start the word that is given at the center, and the center word is given let's, and around letters are given, some letters are given, all these words are verbs. And the last circle there are few words, and these words generally these words are nouns or the words that end the letters that end with ly. For example, quickly, slowly, fastly, etc. You can make various meaningful sentences in this way. Here is a word chart given. At the center, let's or let me, the word is given. Start from the center and make as many meaningful sentences as you can. While making meaningful sentences, remember, first of all, start from the center, let's or let me, take the nearby word and then take the word that is given in the third row. In such way, you can make so many meaningful sentences as you can. Here are some of examples. Let's study carefully. Let's study hard. Let's sing a song. Let's do work. Let's read story. Let's write a poem. Let's play the cricket. Let's play kabaddi. Let me do that work. Let me play the cricket. Let me read the story. Let me color the picture. Let me study today, etc. These are few of examples. These are the meaningful sentences that begin with let's and let me. Can you make other meaningful sentences that begin with let's and let me? Make so many meaningful sentences that begins with let's and let me.